Velcro closure keeps unsightly trash hidden from view and traps in odor. Waterproof material eliminates spills. Waterproof interior is easy to clean after use. Not just for trash, use it to store snacks and beverages, kids' toys, or as a short-term cooler. Universal fit with multi-purpose uses. This waterproof waste receptacle is a perfect solution for busy families or anyone who spends hours on the road. Use this Seatback storage locker to hold snacks, beverages, kids' toys, or any other items to eliminate car clutter and waste. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and clever bag for trash or stuff. This is a good idea. The bag easily sits behind the seat for easy access if you are driving, just reach back and drop. It sits open, held up by the adjustable strap that wraps around the head rest. Sealing is easy, it has a Velcro top with fold-over sealing. Not totally odor-proof, but mostly, as long as you dump anything really smelly out regularly. The bag is solid and absolutely holds moisture and is waterproof. I only would say that leaving it hanging on the back of the seat could make thieves think there is something there to steal. So I would remove the bag if not in the car and in an area where cars get broken into. I live in SF and it's a problem here, so I would remove the bag when I left the car and put it down on the floor so it isn't so visible. It's a good idea, works well, a nice buy and keeping it clean.